Ladies and gentlemen,
Makaapas sa ba?
the
Ang Talibon para mo champion sa itong Governor's Cup? Or will Tagbilaran City take us to the Game 3? The winner take all Game 3 in Tagbilaran City. Ball possession for Tagbilaran. Will this be the start of the comeback for Talibon? Berong drives. Ooh! But a turnover. Engito, what a pass! What a pass!
Eric Pandan.
Oh my goodness. Talibon is shell-shocked right now. Bunado for three. Bang!
Bunado
He tries
for
to breathe life
points.
into the comeback of Talibon. Pandan, what a move. What a step through. But Alvarez. And that was
Out
a
of
nice
bounds.
hustle in defense there
Talibon's ball.
by Alvarez. He takes away the ball from Engito's hands. Jason Evangelista. Corner. Bunado again for three. Air ball. That was a force shot. Sa kagustuhang maapsan yun. Isa tres. Pero a bad pass by Engito.
Out of bounds.
Itagid kaayo, ingon si
Pag-shot
Pandan.
for
Ayaw, kalma lang. Kay labaw man ta.
Pandan.
Now, another chance. Another chance for Talibon to inch closer, to possibly inch closer. But they're playing way too slow right now. Ang time hurot na. Hela, nice pass to Alvarez. Fake. Alvarez, miss. Fast break. Engito to Engito. Engito crossover. Wow! What a miss. Bonado. Here's Bonado. He wants the three. He gets the three. But another air ball for Bonado. Grabe. Back-to-back air balls for Jason Bonado. Gusto mo itsagad og tres ang Talibon para mapaspasan o pass.
10 seconds shot clock.
Pag-shot. Nice pass to Engito. Crowds the ball. Corner. Oh, foul! Foul!
Foul.
Very aggressive.
Foul on jersey number 35. Mark Vincent Hila. 3 free throws for Canyesares. Second personal foul. Hela, first team foul.
13K live viewers, alas 10:30 sa kagabion. Canyesares. And he misses all 3 free throws. Talibon is coming back here pero they're playing way too slow. Ang oras nagdagan. 19 pang labaw. Evangelista drives. Miss again. Wala yun. Nothing going right for Talibon here in the second half. Bisan silang home court. Bisan anad sila sa ring. Timalas yun. Engito. Pass to Balabag. Balabag. Yes! Oh my. Tagbilaran City is pouring it on. 21-point lead. 7 minutes left. Ang Talibon hinay kay mo duwa. Murag sila ilabaw.
10 seconds shot clock.
Berong. Gibanggaan. Wala gihapon by Talibon. This is Engito. Fast break. Engito, what a pass! Grabe.
Out of bounds.
the athleticism
Talibon's ball.
of
Substitution.
Jason Evangelista
Uno for
to force the turnover.
Uno for Alvarez. Herale for
But again, no,
Bunado.
Talibon, sila yung nag-pass pero they're playing way too slow right now.
Number 7.
They want to come back to run and gun game, 3-pointers. You can see, wala gyud. Talibon is looking to be confused right now. They don't
10
know
second shot
what
clock.
play to call. Too much movement, but no shot. And Hela follows it up.
Vincent
But
Hila.
too much time wasted here by Talibon. Murag silang labaw, nag-chill-chill ra. 6 minutes and 20 seconds left. Engito all the way. Miss. Now counter-attack. Pagobo. Oh! Gusto mo tira og 3. Pero nasobraan. Kalimot siya. Nga nasi pag-shot siya likod. Pag-shot. Sets the ball up for Tagbilaran. Gusto nila i-waste ang
10
time.
second shot clock.
Kay labaw na kayo sila. Balabag! Balabag! No! Herale! Yes!
Timeout, Tagbilaran.
Score 88-72 in favor of Tagbilaran City. 16-point lead, mga higala. At on time,
5
minutes and 45 seconds
for the
left.
fourth in the final quarter. Official score, Talibon 72, Tagbilaran 88.
This is the Governor's Cup 2023 Game 2 of the finals.
Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
This is also the story, no? Story of our game 1. Labaw ang Tagbilaran pero nakambak sa Talibon. Let's see if they can do it again. Pag-shot goes all the way. What a... Uy. Bad pass there, eh, pag-shot. Talibon with a counter-attack. Pagobo. Here's Herale for the layup. Yes!
Herale!
And Michael Joey Herale with the magic bunot of the game. After he subs in, he scores immediately 5 points. Balabag versus Buno. Balabag, crossover. Balabag breaks down Buno. Tuingito, this is pag-shot. Wants the pick and roll, but he shoots a 3. Oh, in and out. Grabe.
Bounce, Talibon
Sayang
score.
for Nicky pag-shot. Now, this is another chance for Talibon to come back. Will they inch closer? Pagopo. Herale. They want him. That's a traveling violation.
Turnover, Tagbilaran's ball. 4 minutes and 51 seconds.
Wow. Unfortunate for Herale. Foul on Herale.
On jersey number 44, Herale. Second personal foul.
Shout
on
out
Herale.
kuno ingon si
Second team foul.
Aurelien pag-shot. Losdok. Go
Substitution.
Nikki pag-shot.
Third
Agaw
round
garo
for
niya.
Herale.
Go Talibon ingon si Carly. Now here's Ingito. They want Balabag. ISO by Ingito. Powers it through.
10 seconds
Pugahod.
shot
Short jumper but kicks it out to pag-shot. Open.
5
Si
seconds to shoot.
Engito. No! Balaba with a big board. Ooh! 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 What a physical
Foul.
play. Very hard foul. Let's see if the officials will call it a unsportsmanlike foul. And it is an unsportsmanlike foul. Very, very hard foul. Balabag is still down from that.
Unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 4, Buno.
Was
Criteria
Buno.
number 2, hard contact.
Shout out sa ta, shout out
Buno.
ni Romero Gelbolingo, ingon si Jek
That
Jek.
was your 5th personal foul.
Shout out ingon
You
si
are
Kuya
out of
John
the game.
Obenya. Shout out kong Charis Garcia, ingon
2
si
free
Princess
throws for
Lynn Paler.
Tagbilaran plus ball position.
Shout out Dol Matic Game 3, ingon si Danilo Bandala Jr. Shout out saan to? Go Ingito Brothers, ingon si Morris Asitin. Shout out ko ro, brother, ingon si Francis Renel Borenaga. Shout out po ni Nino Aparece. This is two free throws plus ball possession for Tagbilaran City. 4 minutes and 27 seconds left. And Balabag.
Ball position, Tagbilaran. Seconds shot clock.
Engito. Steal by Hela. Fast break. Pagobo. He wants to shoot his three. But to Torion. Torion steps back. Evangelista is on the other side of the corner for three. No. Malas Evangelista today. Mga higala. Wala kay shot sa tres. And this is a fast break for Tagbilaran. Pag-shot. Pag-shot waits. Does the right thing. He waits for his teammates and waits the wait time. And alley-oop!
Jason
Alley-oop!
Balabag.
To Jason Balabag.
Time out, Talibon.
Shout out idol ingon si John Lay Redoblado Paredes. Nice guy commentator. Salamat idol. Shout out Erickson Autida from San Agustin. Go Talibon. Shout out sa taga Tagbilaran nga naa sa Talibon Gym. Ingon si Jingzi Sempron Costan. Nangangamoy game 3. Ingon si Jin Pamay Marapaw Aguhar.
Back to the ball
Murag
game with
ingana
3
yan
minutes
siguro.
and 53 seconds.
Ang dagan
Remaining
ani.
time for the fourth
Nga dula.
and final quarter.
18 ang labaw sa Tagbilaran. 92 to 74. 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. Napabay, one last shot ang Talibon ani. Torion, wala gid gihapon sa tres. Giti malas ang Talibon. Oh, Engito. Engito drives. Engito blocks.
Out of bounds, Tagbilaran's ball. 12 second shot clock.
Uy, miss. But a follow-up.
Jomari
Yes!
Tito.
20-point lead for Tagbilaran City. Oh, wow. What a turn of events, mga kaibigan. Home court sa Talibon, gilubong og taman-taman. And a steal. Oh my. Pag-shot. That's the right thing. Balabag. Drives. Bangga. Foul.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 23, Biro.
Wow, I think we are going
Personal foul.
to game 3.
Warning for penalty, Talibon. Substitution. Ortica for Biro.
Watching from Canada, ingon si Pader Yason. Shout to Edgar Langamen. Karon gusto ipakalma na yung Gito. Kaya labaw magod kayo ang Tagbilaran. But that's a foul on ang Evangelista.
Foul on Jason Evangelista. Third personal foul, penalty situation.
Gito.
Substitution.
What an
Sales
addition.
for Balabag.
Engito has been for Tagbilaran City. He stabilized the game. He brought an additional playmaker here for Tagbilaran City. Sakto gid ang desisyon nga gipauli, gipletihan para lang gid makaduwa ni nga game. And I think that will be it. The fans are starting na mugawas na diri sa Talibon Gym. Sensing there will be a game 3. See you game 3. Ingon si May Amimita. Pagshot. And yes.
Nikki
Oh my.
Pagshot.
Oh my. Nikki Pagshot is probably the player of the game for tonight. Hinahinay nag-uli ang taga Talibon. They're very disappointed on how it turned out. Home court unta nila, pero was not able to close this one out.
Last 2 minutes.
Pero at least, no, this is
5-second shot clock.
Talibon has 2 chances actually. Game 2 and game 3. Mapildi sila ni, bisan pag mapildi, kaya na ba may chance po sa game 3, no? Pero this is a very sayang po for Talibon. Kay pang-champion ta silang home court. So this has been the story.
Jomari and Quito.
Game 1.
Substitution.
Daog ang Tagbilaran.
Substitution.
Daog ang Talibon sa home court sa Tagbilaran City. Pero karon daog ang Tagbilaran City sa home court sa Talibon. 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Lubong, 98-74. Hela loses the ball. This is Torion. He wants the 3. Gilabay na lang. Uy, trash talk. Is this trash talk by Bueno and Torion? Kalma na ko, no? Kalma. Kaya naapay game 3.
Substitution. Pandan for Bueno.
And we're down in the final minute of this ball game.
20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
There will be a game 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this game, the final score is 74-98, won by our team, Tagbilaran!